Hey Kelly, it's Dennis. Just wanted to show you a couple of quick things in editing a Google site, like with your portfolio. And so what we want is to make sure that we're actually embedding projects onto the page. And I think you get that like on the wiki pages. It's just that Google Sites can be a little bit tricky. It's not as intuitive to do that. So let me show a couple of different examples. So here I have a diagram in Creately, and I'm going to go to the Publish button. You can find it down here on the side, or if you click on Share, you can still get to it here. In Publish, I want to do a couple of things. One is I want to make sure that it's shared with the community so that people can view it on my page. The other thing that I'm going to do is it has a link here for specifically for getting embed code for a Google site. So I'm going to click on that. And it's got a couple of things that I need here. And so first is I'm going to copy this gadget URL because I'm going to add this gadget to the Google site. I know this is going to be several steps, but that's why this video might help. So I've copied that gadget URL. I'm going back to my Google site. I'm going to get in edit mode on this page. And then under Insert, I'm going to go to more Gadgets and Add Gadget by URL. Since I copied that URL, I can paste it in here and say Add. Now it's asking for a diagram ID. So I need to go back to my Creately page. Here's the ID. I'm going to copy that back to the Google site, place that there. It's asking for the title, which I think was just, document 1, the cleverly named document 1. I'm going to copy that back to the Google site, paste that there, and say OK. Now, I don't actually see the diagram yet, but I see the placeholder, and this is because I'm in edit mode. Once I hit save, then that Creately diagram is actually embedded on this page. Okay, so let me do, and then you can add more, in edit mode I can add, I can add text and do whatever else I want in here, or add another block, do whatever. All right, let me do a similar thing with a Google document, because I know a couple of your projects are Google Docs, and these are much easier to embed in a Google site than like the Creately. So let me get back to the Google site, back in edit mode. I'm just going to delete that Creately one that I did. So this time I'm going to embed a Google Doc, whether it's a text doc or slides or whatever. I'm going to go to Insert, and here I've got a button that just says take me to my drive, and so I'm going to do a document, and I can scroll through my documents or I can search for one. So I'm going to do the one that I'd written about the National Symposium on Teacher Induction. So I select that document and say, include the title and include a border, that's fine, and hit save. And that document is there. So again, I'm in edit mode, so I can't see it yet. I just see the block for it. When I hit save, then I will see, there it is, the Google Doc embedded in this document. Okay, so that was embedding a Creately and others like MindMoto and Easily, and others work pretty much the same way, and then embedding a Google Doc. All right, I hope that helps. If not, give me a call. We can walk through some things.